Alright, so unboxing time, and here I'm here to bring you the unboxing of the 70mai dash cam, and I'm pretty excited for this product, and we'll see what's inside by doing a quick unboxing and overview of the product. Opening it up, here we have an instruction set. Install the dash cam, remove before first use. I'll put that aside for now. Let's see what else we have inside here. Here we have a user manual, and this is in English, so that's fairly rare. Put that aside also. And this is the actual dash cam itself. Let's take it out of the box. Come on, let's go. There we go. So now we can take this. Oh, very nice. Looks like it's a GoPro mount, so pretty sick. So we're gonna put that aside for now and see what else we have inside the box. And here we have a nice long micro USB cable, and we also have a car plug as well. So let's put this up aside and look at the actual dash cam itself. All right, so this is the dash cam itself. You can see that here there is a GoPro style mount that you can use. It's pretty good because that means it's adaptable to pretty much any GoPro accessory that you can find there, which is pretty nice. So you technically could use this as a GoPro, but that'll be really dumb. Anyway, so this is the 70mai dash cam. I think it's plastic. It definitely feels like plastic. It doesn't feel very high quality. It's plastic, and it's round and long, so probably wouldn't interfere too much with your vision. On the back, you can see a couple of FCC, CE, EAC certifications. And here it says 70mai, and if we look very closely at the bottom, it says this is the model number, the input, the resolution, FCC, product, and manufacturer. And now on this side, you can see that there is a micro SD card slot as well as a USB jack. And on this side, this is the power button, and I'm going to press it and turn it on and see what happens.
70mai boots up. Please activate the device by connecting to your cell phone.
Interesting. So it looks like this is, it does have a battery in it, which is pretty sick. And I really wonder if the USB cable here is going to bypass the battery when it's plugged in constantly, but we'll just have to see later. And now what you got to do is you got to install the 70mai app. That's pretty much it. You type in 70mai, and then you install the app and create an account and log in, and then you click add device and click that. Make sure you turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot on your dash cam. The indicator is a breathing state, and then you hit next. And then you got to connect by going to your Wi-Fi and connecting there. And I don't know what the password is. What did they say the password was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna go in there and type in the password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect. I'm gonna go back and we're gonna hit connect. And now it's connected. And now we just wait for it to connect, and then
click the power key to authorize.
Click the power key to authorize. 1. Connected successfully. Open dash cam. Please take 1 minute to get a little blah blah blah. Next. I don't need 1 minute. I am a super person. Click to power on. Click to open and close Wi-Fi. Click 3 times to format the SD card. Click 5 times to restore default settings, and press and hold to power off. Okay, easy enough. Keeping on state, the dash is currently running. Blue, not a recording mode. Error in recording is red. Green is normally recording. Fine. My Wi-Fi turns on. That's good. Flashing state means the dash cam executes a temporary task, indicators flashing, blah, blah, blah. Okay, keep on going. There we go. Now you can see actually what's going on. So that's me right there. Actually, you can't see. Can you see me now? Yeah, right there. So that's me. And we'll have to test out the resolution of the camera in my actual car, which I will do as soon as I can. But as you can see, this is pretty much what you need to set up as like a preview and stuff. So we'll do that later when I get to my car, which I do not have here at the moment. Obviously, I'm in my basement and I can't get my car in my basement, right? So, all right, done. And then we can do that begin to use. Please insert SD card. Got it. Don't remind me again. Got it. Awesome. So now this is a live recording and needs an SD card, obviously, so we'll do that later. But in the meantime, be sure to check out my full review of the 70mai. It should be coming out very, very soon. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and hit that little notification bell to make sure you're subscribed and notified of any of the latest videos that come up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.